Forgot to start recording, but alright. Anyways, my bias for the day is longs because putting this SMT right here, we sort of manipulated London lows, Asia lows. We had a continuation phase. We had displacement up, so now I'm looking for continuation, looking for some sort of liquidity sweep on the downside, maybe on a lower time frame, because we don't have any hourly time frame liquidity. We just entered this BPR on the 1 hour. We inverse this fair value gap right here. So we're gonna see if this holds, and if it does, I'm taking a trade to the upside, man. Also, if you didn't know, none of you would know, I have started a new challenge in replacement of the 1.5k. We're going to 5k, man. This is gonna be the first episode, sort of, because I haven't released the change of challenge video yet, the informational video, so none of you will know that the challenge has started. So I don't know if I will post this video as part of the 5k, but I will be showing my PNL if I do take a trade from now on with the 5k account. So yeah, there's something new, man. If we're gonna push all the way, I'm not gonna take a trade, man. I'm gonna be following my bias. I'm gonna be following close, wait. How am I supposed to say this, bro? I'm gonna be following my bias more to reduce the amounts of trades I take. And also, that kind of forces me to take better trades, because if I keep flipping my bias, I'm gonna be taking all sorts of trade everywhere. We did take out this 15-minute lows, not this. We're probably gonna take it out though. And if we do, we might as well just take out London lows. But a candle this big, with this much displacement down, I don't really want to be trading. Gonna be looking for this low on ES. This orange thing is just equilibrium, so don't mind that. And this 15-minute lows. This much displacement, probably we won't have great price action later on, so yeah, man. Also, I will not be trading my live account anymore. Just for now. We'll probably be done with this challenge. It is wait, nah, I'm not gonna give it away, bro. You guys will see in the next video, bro. Fill this 5-minute gap too, so let's see if we do get a breaker structure or anything on the upside on the 1 minute. Hey, what's this fly doing, bro? You think you're slick, eh? Where the hell did you go? Mr. Fly. We are in this hourly fair value gap. By myself. And this fair value gap. Gotta take a shit, bro. This is probably all the volatility we're gonna get today. I'm not even gonna lie. But we're gonna push lower too. This one's gone. If we do get a displacement, I'm gonna need a retrace, so I'm gonna be super patient, man. I'm done with the dumb trades, bro. I'm really done with it. I'm just gonna delete this shit too. Breaker block. Till we get a retrace, I'm not taking the trade, bro. I'm not touching nothing. I'm not even in MetaTrader right now. Because this could be a 5-minute retrace up. Best case scenario, we close above the 79 line. Or we have slow price action and get a 5-minute break of structure. And maybe a retrace, then I'll take a trade, bro. If not, my hands are down. And if I don't take a trade, I'm not gonna be posting this video just because so that I can post the other video, which I'm in the midst of editing for the 5K challenge. This is what we like to see, man. I know I always say don't marry your bias, but I'm doing this to make myself more disciplined, in a sense, where if price action is, if my bias is longs and price action is telling me to take shorts, I'm still not gonna take a trade, bro. I'm just not gonna take a trade on the day. We did get a break of structure on the 1 minute. If we can close above the 79 line, it would be great. NQ's not moving anywhere, so that's not what we like to see. In fact, NQ is going down. Also, we got news at 10. I don't really think it will affect much. Look at this Q Leo seal, bro. Mass license? Nuh-uh. Explore brokers. Seal of approval. That shit crazy. What great marketing does, man. Just gonna put a line there so I can remove this. I don't think a retrace will go this deep, honestly. It's a great close, man. Far. We might even get a break of structure if we close above this high. Like this high right here. But if we do, we're really close to TP. Do I really want to be trading in those conditions? Jeez. Wait, you can do this? Bro. Alright, we closed above the 79 line, which is the 79% extension. I'm going to be looking for a retrace. Do we break structure to the upside on NQ? Yes, we did. We might break structure back down and just continue lower, man. But if I'm trading on the ES. Let's look for a retracement. She's in the club. We only have pretty much one TP area and two, which is not ideal, but we could make it work if we do get a decent trade. And also I can only be trading one contract because the size is kind of big, and I'm going to be risking 3 to 4% of my account every trade. So that is about one contract size. So I won't be able to take partials, at least for now, until my account grows. And Q is pushing lower. Took out this low. I need a black candle, man. Hold up, pause that shit. I need a black candle, man. Took out these lows, broke structure to the downside. We got a retrace, looks like we're going shorts. And I did want to have a short bias today because hourly time frame we are bearish. 4 hour time frame we are bearish. Pushed into this breaker block. And jeez, bro. And Q is bearish. Yes, it's also bearish. I mean, not really, but hopefully we can get a retrace. Let's take trading seriously, guys. Hit your goals by 2025. Respected the shit out of this fair value gap. And equilibrium. I would take a trade here on my normal account, but now I'm just being disciplined. And thank God, man. Alright, we broke structure to the downside on ES. Alright, we did get a retrace. And it's a valid retrace because we did break structure. But it kinda looks like price just wanna go lower, so high probability no trade today, man. Want some more? Oh, I gotta take a shit, bro. Trade you could have taken today. Gucci shoes. If you're wondering why you could have taken this trade, it's because firstly we did take out London High, I believe. 190.6. Yeah, we did take out London High. We got displacement on a 5 minute. We broke structure to the downside on a 5 minute. We got 5 minute retrace, and after that retrace, firstly, how do you verify a valid retrace? We broke structure on the upside to the upside right here. Next, we broke structure back to the downside, which means we flipped the order flow again right here on this candle. That's why you could have entered on this candle, stops at the highs, and then aim for these lows. I didn't take a trade. Why? Because my bearish was bullish. No, my bias was bullish, and I'm only taking trades off my bullish bias. Yeah, man. And because I'm only taking trade off bullish bias, there was no trade to be taken for me, at least for today. And thank God I didn't take any trade in the midst of this. Could have caught some longs, but I would have hit stop loss either way. So thank God I didn't take a trade, man. I'm fine with my bias being wrong as long as I follow the rest of my trading plan as part of the trading day. That way, even though I'm married to my bias, I don't necessarily take every trade that tells me price is going up, because I do have to wait for some confluence and some confirmation that price is going up. That way, even though I'm married to my bias, I probably won't take as much losing trades, hopefully. That's what we can see from today. And also, macro hasn't even opened, and we've pushed down like dog shit, man. We also got news at 10. And if by 10 we inverse this fair value gap, I'm definitely just gonna stop the recording. I'm not gonna post this. So I'm probably hypothetically, I'm talking to myself right now, man. Took out this low. Yep. Alright. Didn't take this trade, so. But that's what I like about live backtesting instead of just normal backtesting, because backtesting under normal conditions means you're going back in time. I accidentally muted my mic. Anyways, that means you're going back in time, and it can be cherry picked if you don't have the replay bar on TradingView. That's why I prefer live backtesting and doing mock trades just like this, just like today, because I can't cherry pick this shit, bro. All I can do is just put a mock trade, see if it works out. If you do, I'll take note of it, and take note of it in the future by looking for the same setup or the same trade or somewhat the same basis of the trade, and then do more mock trades. And if it works really well, I can start implementing that on my account. Also, another trade you could have taken today, if you didn't just want to wait for the break of structure, we did get it's a worse trade, but it's still a trade. We got huge displacement down after filling this fair value gap. Could have put the stops at the first candle of the fair value gap and then target these lows. Maybe target some other hourly low. Like right here. TP would have gotten hit. And another one right here. You can consider this as low resistance liquidity on a high time frame, I guess. Would have been a really good trade. Unfortunately, that wasn't my bias, so I'm fine with it, bro. Recently watched a TikTok that said, I believe it's by PB Trading or something. He said, wait, was it PB or PJ, bro? I don't know, man. One of them, traders. He said, if before you take a trade, you gotta ask yourself, would you be mad if you lost the trade? And I guess you could say, would you be happy if you won the trade? Because I necessarily won't be happy if I win this trade. I mean, of course, like, if you make money, you'll be happy, but at the end of the day, after reflecting, was it really you or luck? That's because my bias for the day is longs, and I did say I will only take trades off my bias. And going against that, probably wouldn't be that happy if I won the trade, man. Unless you said my bias was shorts for the day, I'll be jumping right now, bro. Jeez. Thank God I didn't take a trade. I might just release this shit, bro. Where are we going, bro? I'm definitely not trading today. "13 minutes and you would have hit full TP if you took in this trade." Don't gotta be hung up on that. Just focusing on the skills of trading, man. Anyways, I think I'm gonna stop recording because I know I definitely won't be trading anymore. I don't care if price retrace or whatever to anywhere. All points have been taken. In fact, I'm gonna clear this shit up because I know I definitely won't be trading today. The trade's been missed, bro. And you know what? On second thought, I will update. I will update. Should I, bro? Should I upload? I'm just gonna upload this video, and then I'll probably post. I'll Jeez, bro. I'll probably post the 5K introduction first, then I'll post this trade recap. So that's all I have for you, man. Like and subscribe. A lot of valuable lessons in this video. So like and subscribe. Anyways, see you guys soon, man. Like real soon. Bye bye.